Okay, good afternoon everyone. Thank you so much for coming today. Masih datang di pertemuan keempat kita, our fourth meeting dalam tajuk Bootcamp Gratis English Camp. Let's pick John Frick dari Yayasan Pelita Jaya Nusantara bagi kalian semua, para teman-teman yang ingin belajar bahasa Inggris secara gratis dan juga ingin menghilangkan rasa takut ya ketika speaking in English. Oke, jadi untuk pertemuan keempat kita hari ini kita akan belajar tentang expressing opinion confidently. Let me share my screen first. Oke, bisa dilihat screen-nya kira-kira teman-teman? Bisa dilihat nggak? Halo?
Bisa, Miss.
Oke, bisa ya. Okay, very good. Okay, so for our today's meeting, untuk materi kita hari ini kita akan belajar tentang expressing opinion confidently. Atau kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia sendiri itu adalah mengekspresikan pendapat. Jadi, opinion itu adalah pendapat ya. Jadi, mengekspresikan sebuah pendapat secara confident atau secara percaya diri. Misalnya mau bilang, eh in my opinion atau menurutku bahasa Inggris itu seru sekali. In my opinion, bahasa Inggris itu sangat seru. In my opinion, English is very fun. Atau in my opinion, English is very difficult, sangat susah. Atau maybe in my opinion, she is so beautiful. Menurut saya dia sangat cantik. Atau misalnya bad opinion atau opini yang kurang bagus. Misalnya in my opinion, the food is taste bad. Jadi menurut saya makanannya rasanya tidak enak. Nah, for today, untuk hari ini kita akan belajar cara mengekspresikan opini secara sopan ya teman-teman. Kan ada beberapa opini yang baik dan juga yang buruk. Nah, itu kita harus, bukan buruk ya, lebih ke arah tidak setuju lah terhadap suatu opini. Nah, itu kita akan belajar ya tentang how to say that politely atau bagaimana cara berbicara dengan sopan. Okay, so in here, just remind you for you guys to use your hand to speak ya, as usual ya. Maybe if you guys want to try to speak, atau misalnya mau coba volunteer to talk, ya please use raise hand to speak ya, so I can see siapa sih di sini yang mau ngomong ya. And the last one is please be brave and confident. Maybe after this, I will ask you guys one by one. I will mention your name. Okay, I hope you guys can try to open your microphone and try to answer. Jadi coba untuk buka mikrofon dan coba untuk menjawab ya. It's okay, it's fine if you make a mistake. Nggak apa-apa kalau misalnya kita membuat kesalahan ya. It's very fine. That's why we are here. Makanya kita ada di sini yaitu untuk apa? Untuk belajar. Oke, langsung masuk ke our first question. Oke, before we go to our main material, sebelum kita menuju ke materi utama kita ke pemantik dulu nih atau pemanasan dulu nih. Oke, the first one is what do you think about learning English and why? Jadi bagaimana menurutmu, apa pendapatmu tentang belajar bahasa Inggris? Misalnya mungkin apakah itu penting, atau misalnya itu nggak penting, atau misalnya learning English itu very fun? Ya, pokoknya anything ya about your opinion, jadi pendapatmu. And the second one is homework important for student? Why or why not? Jadi number two, apakah PR itu penting buat student atau buat siswa? Kalau iya, kenapa? Kalau tidak, kenapa? Jadi untuk our pemanasan kita yang for the first one, kita bisa langsung coba jawab ya. Ada yang mau coba nggak jawab number one?
Me, Miss.
Okay, Indah, which one you want to answer?
Number one, Miss.
Okay, go
What
ahead.
do you think about learning English? What do you think about learning English? Why? I think learning English is very important since, like, English itself is international language, and then also, like, in this era, like, it's 2026 already, which, like, everybody needs to speak in English, at least know basic English, right? And also, I knew from TikTok that even when you want to do interview, like in, let's say, company, they're gonna interview you in English as well. So how do we gonna able to answer the questions if we do not learn English? So I think learning English is very important, Miss.
Okay, so you say English is important because in this era everything use English, ya?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, very good. Thank you Indah for your opinion. Jadi menurut
You're
Indah
welcome,
sendiri,
Miss.
yes, you're welcome. Jadi menurut Indah sendiri, English itu important, English itu penting karena kenapa? Karena di era sekarang itu semuanya itu membutuhkan English. For example, tadi kalau misalnya dalam interview, kalau misalnya dalam job, atau dalam maybe belajar as well, atau maybe social media, ya, we usually use English ya. And how about number two? Ada yang mau coba nggak number two? Maybe, mm, Eva, are you there, Eva?
Hadir, Miss.
Okay, can you try to answer number two?
Number two, is homework important for students? No, I think homework is not important for students
Okay.
because we spend like half day for going to school and then study at school like a whole day and then we have to go to home and then doing homework again. I think that's not unfair because
Okay.
yeah, I think when we go home we just have to rest and then maybe we can help our parents like that. So I don't think homework is important.
Okay, so Eva, you said homework is not important because we already learn in school ya, at school ya. Jadi kita sudah belajar di sekolah. Jadi kalau misalnya balik ke rumah itu kita cuma perlu istirahat aja. Is that right?
Iya, Miss, benar capek.
Okay, very good. Okay, that's actually very interesting. I want to know for the other person, maybe Balkis, are you there, Balkis? Hello, Balkis?
Yes, Miss.
Balkis, can you try to answer number two? Is homework important for student? What do you think?
Is homework important for student? Why or why not? Yes, it's very important for student.
Why?
Um, okay, actually, I don't know why though.
Oke, pakai bahasa Indonesia aja, it's okay, it's fine. Kira-kira kenapa PR
Ah,
itu?
Oke, karena PR itu penting ketika kita sudah belajar dan guru memberikan kita PR untuk lebih mengingat apa yang kita pelajari.
Oke, oke. Jadi untuk review ya. Jadi itu for reviewing material kan. Maybe from school,
Yes,
dari sekolah, yes. Dari sekolah kita sudah belajar, and then after go home, kita review again. Jadi biar tidak lupa. Is that right?
yes, Miss.
Oke, thank you so much, Bakis. Very good ya.
Thank you, Miss.
Oke. How about Almira? Are you there, Almira? Ada nggak Almira? Hello? No? How about Bibit? Are you there, Bibit? Bibit Waluyo? Oh, no. No, no Bibit ya. Okay, maybe okay. So that's a very good opinion ya teman-temannya. Jadi ada yang bilang homework is important. Ada juga yang bilang homework is not important. Okay, that's an opinion ya. Jadi kalau misalnya seseorang memberikan opini, kita harus menghormati. Maybe if it's not the same from what we opini, I mean like kalau misalnya itu tidak sama dengan apa yang kita pikirkan itu it's okay, it's fine ya. Jadi kita tidak perlu memaksa. We cannot force everyone else to think the same thing as us. Jadi kita tidak bisa mengikut atau memaksa seseorang untuk berpikir seperti apa yang kita inginkan. Very good. Okay, let's go to the next slide, which is our today topic, which is about sharing opinion atau berbagi pendapat. Berbagi pendapat. Nah, kayak tadi ya, yang salah satunya Eva, she already said, sudah bilang kalau misalnya, contohnya tadi, in my opinion, homework is not important. Lalu Bakis also said, homework is also important. Nah, itu yang dinamakan sharing opinion, ya. Oke, kalau dalam bahasa Inggrisnya, what is sharing opinions? Jadi, sharing opinions is express your own opinions or view clearly and politely. Jadi, mengekspresikan opinimu sendiri atau pandanganmu secara jelas dan juga secara sopan ya. Balik lagi teman-teman, kalau misalnya kita itu memberikan opini, meskipun itu karena opininya misalnya dia tuh bertolak belakang dengan opini orang lain, itu kita harus sopan ya. Jadi kita tidak boleh eh, menolaknya secara kasar. Misalnya, ih, kok gitu opininya jelek banget. Nah, itu tidak boleh ya teman-teman. That's very wrong. We have to sopan, we have to polite for someone's opinion. Oke, lanjutnya kita ke conversation. Sini ada salah satu example conversation between Rani and Dika. The conversation is actually based and also depends on, I mean, based on our topic today, which is about opinions ya, sharing opinions ya. Oke, jadi di sini ada Rani and Dika. Kira-kira ada yang mau coba jadi Rani, maybe? Anyone wants to be Rani and anyone wants to be
Me,
Dika?
Miss.
Oke, Indah, you can be Rani ya, Indah.
Okay, Miss.
And then maybe Bibit. Bibit, are you there, Bibit? Or maybe, okay,
Yes, yes.
you here. Okay, Bibit, you can be Dika ya, Bibit. And then Indah, you can be Rani. Go ahead.
Okay, Miss. What do you think about learning English?
I think learning English is underrated. Interesting
Why do you think so?
because I can watch movies and understand them. What about you?
In my opinion, English is important for our future.
I agree. I have used communication with many people.
Okay, very good. Bibit, ini bacanya apa tadi, Bibit? How do you say this one?
It helps use communication.
Oke, bacanya ini us ya. Jadi it help us. Yes, artinya kita ya. Jadi membantu kita. Oke, thank you so much Bibit and Indah ya. Very good job. Thank you so much. Oke, yang lain ada yang mau coba? Maybe Sisa. Are you there, Sisa? Ada Sisa
Yes,
nggak?
Miss.
Yes, Sisa and maybe Almira. Almira, are you there, Almira? Can you open your microphone, Almira? No? Oke, maybe kita ke... Oh ya, Putri Balkis. Balkis mau coba nih. Maybe Sisa you can be Rani and then Balkis you can be Rika. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, what do you think about learning English?
I think learning English is interesting
Why do you think so?
because I can watch movies and understand them. What about you?
In my opinion, English is important for our future.
I agree. It helps us communicate with many people.
Okay, thank you so much. Good job ya Sisa and Balkis. Okay, Balkis, I want to ask you.
Yes,
Balkis,
Miss.
kira-kira di sini yang menunjukkan memberikan opini kira-kira yang mana? Memberitahukan sebuah opini. What do you think? Which one?
Yang English is important for our future.
Okay, apa artinya ini? What does it mean?
Bahasa Inggris itu penting untuk masa depan kita.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Good job. Balkis, very
Okay,
well
thank
ya.
you, Miss.
Oke, jadi betul ya, balik Balkis said, di sini yang menunjukkan memberikan opini atau sharing opinion is English is important for our future. Jadi basically ini sebenarnya ketika kita berbicara tentang opinion, biasanya itu ada kata kuncinya yaitu ini. In my opinion, biasanya ya, tapi tidak semuanya. Kayak ini, because I can watch movies and understand them. Itu juga termasuk opini. Kenapa bisa? Karena di sini Dika kan bertanya, oke, wait, sorry. Rani bertanya, what do you think about learning English? Dia kan bertanya kan, menurutmu gimana sih belajar bahasa Inggris? Nah, Dika menjawab dengan opininya bahwa I think learning English is interesting. Menurut saya, belajar bahasa Inggris itu sangat menarik. Lalu ditanya lagi sama Rani, kenapa? Why do you think so? Nah, itu dijawab, because I can watch movies and understand them. Jadi karena saya pikir saya bisa menonton movies dan understand them. Jadi mungkin dia menonton film barat itu tanpa perlu translation maybe atau tidak perlu subtitle ya. Tuh, that's why. That's Dika's opinion. Lalu ditanya lagi sama Dika, kalau menurut kamu gimana opinimu? Nah, dijawab sama Rani, I think English is important for our future. Jadi bahasa Inggris itu sangat penting untuk our future atau untuk masa depan kita. Lalu di sini Dika menjawab I agree. Jadi di sini agree itu artinya saya setuju ya. Jadi di sini Dika menunjukkan bahwa dia itu melakukan agreement atau persetujuan tentang opinionnya Rani. Jadi ini salah satu contohnya ya teman-teman ketika kita melakukan uh, sharing opinion di daily conversation. Seperti itu. Oke, ada yang mau coba lagi nggak? Maybe hmm, Eva, are you there Eva? Halo Eva.
Yeah, yeah.
Oke, and then Cahya, are you there Cahya? Cahya nggak? No, no Cahya. Okay, no. If no, maybe Eva, you can be with me ya. Eva, you can be Rani and I will be Dika.
Oke, aku jadi Rani, oke.
Okay.
What do you think about learning English?
I think learning English is interesting
Why do you think so?
because I can watch movies and understand them. What about you?
In my opinion, English is important for our future.
I agree. It helps us communicate with many people. Okay, thank you so much, Eva ya.
Thank you, Miss.
Oke, kita lanjut lagi ke next slide, which is vocabulary bank. Jadi di sini beberapa vocabulary yang biasa kita gunakan when we are talking about opinion. The first one is opinion, for sure, of course. Opinion. Jadi di sini P-nya itu panjang ya, opinion, bukan opinion, tapi opinion. The second one is agree. Agree. Di sini I-nya panjang ya, agree. Lalu ada disagree. Jadi kalau agree itu setuju, kalau disagree itu tidak setuju. Lalu ada kata idea. Idea. Jadi bukan idea ya, tapi idea. Artinya ide. Lalu ada kata reason. Reason. Reason yang artinya alasan. Misalnya contoh, my reason, alasanku karena begini-begini contohnya. Atau useful. Useful. Jadi bukan useful ya, tapi useful. Ada Y. Ada Y-nya di awal. Lalu ada important. Important. Artinya penting. Lalu the last one is interesting. Interesting. Artinya menarik. Itu. Jadi ini contoh-contohnya atau contoh-contoh kosakata when we are talking about opinion. Tadi ada opinion, agree, disagree, idea, reason, useful, important, and interesting. Oke, jadi ini yang bisa teman-teman coba ya, try to use. Nanti kalau misalnya di akhir slide, nanti kita akan melakukan speaking challenge atau speech challenge. You guys can try to use this vocabulary. Misalnya, I agree or I disagree. Oke, kita lanjut. Lalu common expression. Nah, di sini kita akan belajar tentang common expression atau ekspresi yang umum. Tentang how to say, maybe how to give opinions or asking for opinions. Jadi the first one is giving opinions atau memberikan opini. Misalnya tuh dia selalu di awal dengan I think. I think itu artinya menurutku. Jadi I think itu artinya menurutku ya. Jadi dia diawali, misalnya menurutku bahasa Inggris itu seru. Jadi I think my English, sorry, I think English is fun. Lalu number two ada in my opinion. Jadi opiniku. Lalu ada for me. Jadi kalau untuk saya, misalnya for me, I think English important sih. Jadi menurut saya bahasa Inggris itu penting. And the last one is I believe. I believe itu saya percaya. Gitu. Jadi you can try to use this both of the giving opinions example ya. And the second one is asking for opinions. Nah, kalau misalnya ketika bertanya tentang opini seseorang, kita bisa menggunakan ini. What do you think? Misalnya contoh, habis beli baju baru. And then you want to ask about your friend's opinion, bertanya tentang opininya teman kamu. What do you think? Menurut kamu gimana? Maksudnya kira-kira bajunya bagus gak? What do you think? Bajunya gimana? Tuh, atau what is your opinion? Sama, menurutmu gimana? Opinimu gimana? Lalu how about you? Kalau kamu, biasanya ini digunakan kalau misalnya itu kita sedang setelah kita memberikan suatu opini, lalu kita menanyakan opini orang lain. Misalnya, I think English is important. How about you? Tuh, jadi menurutku bahasa Inggris tuh penting. Kalau menurutmu gimana? Nah, lalu the last one is do you agree atau kamu setuju nggak? Misalnya bilang lagi contoh, I think English is important. Do you agree? Tadi kan agree artinya setuju. Jadi kalau misalnya dia tanya do you agree artinya kamu setuju nggak tentang opiniku. Jadi ini ya, giving opinions and asking for opinions nanti bisa digunakan kalau misalnya kita doing some speech challenge after this ya. Lalu let's go to the second one. Next slide. Next slide is for agreeing. Tadi kan agreeing artinya itu setuju ya. Jadi kalau misalnya someone giving some opinion, terus lalu kita agree. Jadi kalau misalnya ada seseorang yang memberikan sebuah opini, lalu kita setuju, we can say yes, I agree. Atau saya setuju. Atau you are right. Atau yes, kamu benar gitu. Jadi dia menyetujui apa yang orang katakan. Lalu the third one is I think so too. Jadi aku berpikir itu juga gitu. Lalu ada kata that's true atau yes itu benar gitu. Lalu kalau misalnya agreeing gimana? Sorry ya. Kalau misalnya disagreeing gimana? Tadi kan balik lagi ya kalau misalnya kita tidak menyetujui opini orang lain, yes we have to be polite. Jadi kita harus tetap sopan ya. Nah, contohnya gimana? Ya the first one is I disagree. Saya tidak setuju gitu. Lalu ada number two, I don't think so. Menurutku nggak kayak gitu sih. Itu. Lalu ada I'm not sure about that. Kalau menurutku sih kayaknya nggak yakin deh. Maksudnya aku nggak yakin deh sama opinimu gitu. Jadi dia tidak 100% sure. Jadi tidak 100% setuju ya dengan opininya orang lain. Jadi di sini ada dua contoh ya teman-teman, agreeing dan disagree. Ketika kalian itu menerima opini seseorang, antara kalian itu setuju atau tidak setuju. Jadi bisa I agree atau I disagree. You are right. I don't think so. I think so too. Atau I'm not sure about that. Oke, lanjut ya. Kita ke let's read together. Jadi di sini as usual, di sini ada contoh text like a passage atau paragraph about some opinion ya, especially for our today's topic. Okay, maybe first of all, I will try to pronounce it. I will try to read, and after that, it's you guys' turn, yeah? Okay, so please focus. My name is Rafi. I like playing games after school. In my opinion, games are fun because I can relax and enjoy my time. Sometimes I play games with my friends and we laugh a lot. Jadi ini bahasanya laugh ya, bukan love. No, very wrong. Jadi laugh. Jadi G-nya nggak usah dibaca. U sama G-nya nggak dibaca, jadi laugh a lot. However, my sister has a different opinion. She thinks playing games too much is not good. She prefers reading books or drawing. For me, playing games is okay if I finish my homework first. Oke, jadi ini contohnya teman-teman tentang seorang Raffi, anak bernama Raffi yang dia tuh memberikan opininya tentang games, bahwa game itu fun. Lalu dia memberitahu kalau misalnya sisternya atau kakaknya itu punya different opinion. Okay, so in here I would like to invite all of you guys who want to try first untuk membaca maybe.
Me, miss.
Okay, Indah, you can try to read the whole paragraph, yeah?
Okay. My name is Rafi. I like playing games after school. In my opinion, games are fun because I can relax and enjoy my time. Sometimes I play games with my friends and we laugh a lot. However, my sister has a different opinion. She thinks playing games too much is not good. She prefers reading books or drawing. For me, playing games is okay if I finish my homework first.
Okay, thank you, Indah. I want to ask you, Indah, kira-kira di sini yang menunjukkan opini mana? Which one?
Opinion. Oh yeah. My sister has a different opinion. Itu sama. In my opinion, games are fun because I can relax. Itu miss.
Okay, thank you so much ya. Jadi for the first one is games are fun ya because I can relax and enjoy my time. Lalu the second one is she thinks playing games too much is not good. Oke, jadi itu ya dua contoh sharing some opinion. Oke, thank you so much Indah.
Thank you, miss.
Okay, and now I would like to invite Bibit. Are you there, Bibit? Ada Bibit there?
Yes, miss.
Okay, Bibit, your turn.
Ya, yang bawah ya, miss.
Oh no, the whole paragraph semuanya ya.
Semuanya.
Yes.
My name is Rafi. I like playing games after school. In my opinion, games are fun because I can relax and enjoy my time. Sometimes I play games with my friends and we watch. Ini bacanya loads apa nih?
Oke, bahasanya tuh
And
love
we
ya. Nah, gini aja.
love.
Love.
Okay. Okay. And we love a lot. Bawahnya juga.
Oke, ya.
However, my sister has a different opinion. She thinks playing games too much is not good. She prefers reading books and or drawing for me. Drawing for me. Playing games is okay if I finish my homework first.
Oke.
Homework. Okay.
Homework, yeah, it's very good. Oke, Bibit, I want to ask you, Bibit, kira-kira di sini yang menunjukkan opini, which one? Satu aja, kira-kira.
Hmm,
What do you think?
yang she thinks playing game too much is not good.
Oke, for this one artinya apa ini? Tahu nggak artinya? She thinks playing games too much is not good. Kira-kira apa artinya? What does it mean?
Dia berpikir main game tidak bagus kalau terlalu banyak.
Oke, very good. Jadi menurut dia perempuan bahwa bermain games itu kebanyakan tuh tidak baik. Oke, thank you, Bibit. Very good ya. Good job. Oke, next person maybe Fajrina. Are you there, Fajrina?
Yes, Miss.
Oke, Fajrina, can you try to read the whole paragraph semuanya ya?
My name is Rafi. I like playing games after school. In my opinion, games are fun because I can relax and enjoy my time. Sometimes I play game with my friends and we laugh a lot. However, my sister have a different opinion. She thinks playing games is too much is not good. She prefers reading a book or drawing. For me, playing game is okay if I finish my homework.
Oke, very good. Oke, Fajrina, do you think kira-kira yang mana sih yang menunjukkan opini selain yang she thinks? Tadi ini udah ya. Kira-kira apa lagi nih yang menunjukkan
Games
opini?
are fun because I can relax and enjoy my time.
Oke, games are fun because I can relax and enjoy my time. Oke, thank you so much, Fajrina. Very good ya.
Yes.
Oke, kita ke next person, maybe Sisa. Are you there, Sisa? Hello, Sisa? No, Sisa? Maybe Balkis ya, Balkis? Are you there, Balkis?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, your turn, Balkis.
My name is Rafi. I like playing games after school. In my opinion, games are fun because I can relax and enjoy my time. Sometimes I play games with my friend and we laugh a lot. However, my sister has a different opinion. She thinks playing games too much is not good. She prefers she prefers reading books or drawing. For me, playing games is okay if I finish my homework first.
Oke, kira-kira selain in my opinion sama she thinks playing games too much, kira-kira yang menunjukkan opini apa lagi selain dua itu? What do you think, Balkis?
She prefers reading books or drawing.
Oke, boleh. She prefers reading books or drawing. Jadi ini lanjutan yang sebelumnya ya. It's okay, it's fine. Thank you so much, Balkis. Very good.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Welcome. Oke, kita lanjut. Maybe satu. Oh no no no. Maybe Zifara. Are you there, Zifara? No, Zifara. Okay, maybe Eva. Are you there, Eva?
Iya, Miss.
Okay, your turn, Eva.
Semuanya, Miss.
Yes.
My name is Rafi. I like playing games after school. In my opinion, games are fun because I can relax and enjoy my time. Sometimes I play games with my friends and we laugh a lot. However, my sister has a different opinion. She thinks playing games too much is not good. She prefers reading books or drawing. For me, playing games is okay if I finish my homework first.
Okay, so Eva, selain in my opinion games are fun, she thinks playing games too much is not good, sama she prefers reading books, kira-kira yang mana lagi yang menunjukkan opinion? Which one?
Sentence terakhir, Miss, yang for me, playing games is okay if I finish my homework first.
Okay, very good. Good job. Jadi menurut saya, itu kan termasuk ya, for me, playing games is okay if I finish my homework first. Okay, thank you so much, Eva ya. Okay, good job,
Thank you,
Eva. You're welcome. I think most of you guys already has a good pronunciation. Jadi, ini jangan lupa ya, kalau love ini dia U sama G-nya nggak usah dibaca. Jadi, love gitu aja. Akhirnya F, love. Cukup kayak gitu. Oke, kita lanjut ke next one, which is kita scramble word lagi nih. Kemarin-kemarin kan kita udah menggunakan scramble sentence, lalu kita juga udah multiple choices. Nah, kita kembali lagi ke scramble words. Di sini ada five, yang di sini masih tentang opinion ya. Dan rata-rata ini sudah kita bahas tadi sebelumnya di vocabulary bank. Kira-kira for number one, what is the answer?
Apa ini?
What is it?
opinion.
Opinion.
Okay, the first one, opinion. Indah said is opinion. Very good, thank you. And then Fajrina, number two. You want to answer number two, Fajrina? Oh no, yeah. Okay. How about number two?
Interesting.
Number. Okay.
Oh, sorry, Miss. Agree.
Okay, agree. Indah says agree. Okay, number three, maybe. Fajrina.
Disagree.
Disagree. Okay, number four. What is it?
Important.
Okay, important. The last one, number five. What is it?
Interesting.
Interesting. What does it mean interesting? What does it mean?
Menarik, Miss.
Okay, interesting. Very good ya. Very easy ya. Oke, kita lanjut ke next one. Ya, kalau ini agak beda sedikit nih. Kalau di sini ada paragraf ya. Paragraf yang dimana kita harus fill in the blank. Jadi di sini ada paragraf yang dia itu kosong beberapa. Nah, di sini sudah ada beberapa opsinya. Ada opinion, fun, agree, interesting, sama important. Oke, jadi for the first one, hello, my name is Dina. I want to share my titik.
Opinion.
Okay, I want to share my opinion. Okay, about English class. Hello, my name is Dina. I want to share my opinion about English class. Okay, maybe maybe Balkis deh, Balkis again deh. Balkis kira-kira for number two jawabannya apa, Balkis?
Important, Miss.
Okay, I think English class is very important. Okay, for number three, maybe Fajrina lagi, maybe? There, Fajrina?
Yes, Miss.
How about number three?
Agree.
Okay, great. And then for the last one, maybe Bibit. There, Bibit? Hello, Bibit? No, Bibit? Oke, kalau tidak ada, maybe apa itu? Ada yang tahu nggak jawabannya number five apa? What is the answer number five? She also thinks English is very titik for our future. Kira-kira?
Important, Miss.
Important. Very good. Jadi, hello, my name is Dina. I want to share my opinion about English class. I think English class is very important because I can learn new words and speak with my friends. My friend Rina agreed with me. She also thinks English is very important for our future. We enjoy learning English together. Okay. Eva, are you there, Eva? Ada Eva nggak?
Ya, Miss, ada.
Okay, for this one, for this sentence, okay, I mean for this paragraph, dari paragraf ini yang menunjukkan opinion apa? Satu aja, only one only ya?
Dari semua paragrafnya, Miss.
Yes, only one saja.
Oke. Di kalimat yang ketiga, I think English class is very important because I can learn new words and speak with my friends.
Oke, kira-kira for this paragraph, what does it mean? Apa artinya tuh I think English class sampai my friend? Do you know it?
Here, kelas bahasa Inggris sangat penting karena aku bisa belajar kata baru dan berbicara dengan teman-temanku.
Oke, good job. Thank you, Eva ya.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Oke, kita lanjut ke maybe Sisa. Sisa ada nggak Sisa? Halo Sisa? No Sisa. Oke, maybe Balkis. Ada Balkis?
Yes, Miss.
Oke, untuk di paragraf ini selain I think English class is very important, apalagi yang menunjukkan opinion? Which one?
She also thinks English is very important for our future. Future.
Oke, kira-kira what does it mean? Kira-kira apa artinya?
Dia juga berpikir kalau bahasa Inggris itu sangat penting untuk masa depan kita.
Oke, kira-kira dianya di sini siapa yang berpikir?
Rina.
Rina. Oke, thank you so much, Balkis ya.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, you're welcome. Very good. So I think most of you guys already understand ya about opinion. Jadi kalau misalnya opinion itu biasanya itu diawali dengan kata I think atau in my opinion. Tadi ya ada contoh in my opinion atau for me itu kayak tadi yang di common expression tadi ya. Yang tadi ini. Nih ada I think, in my opinion, for me, I believe. Tuh ya. Jadi biasa diawali dengan kata-kata seperti ini. But it's okay, maybe kalau misalnya tidak mau pakai ini awal juga it's okay, it's fine. Kayak misalnya contoh tadi ya, yang mana tadi? Misalnya tanpa in my opinion juga boleh. Jadi my games are fun because I can relax and enjoy my time. Itu juga bisa digunakan ya. Jadi tanpa perlu menggunakan in my opinion, for me, itu it's okay. Nah, kita ke our last slide today, which is choose one topic and talk about your opinion. Okay, sorry, for this one is second ya, not minutes ya. Jadi 30 until 60 second. Jadi 30 sampai 60 menit. Jadi di sini ada 4 topik. Playing games, English class, homework, sama watching TV. Nah, di sini Miss mau kalian coba ambil satu, misalnya English class, lalu buat opini tentang English class at least 30 sampai 60 detik. Misalnya, I think English class is important because we need English for our future, for job, for making a friends, dan selain sebagainya. Atau misalnya watching movies. Misalnya contoh, I think watching movies is very fun. I like watching movies because it relax me. Jadi, saya menyukai menonton film karena menonton film itu membuat saya relax, membuat saya santai, kayak gitu. Nah, di sini ada 4 ya teman-teman. Atau playing games maybe juga bisa. Misalnya, playing games is not good because we gonna play too much. Jadi menurut saya bermain game itu nggak bagus karena kita jadi kebanyakan main. Misalnya contoh kayak gitu. Oke, jadi 30 sampai 60 minutes aja ya. 30 sampai 60 detik aja, sorry. Jadi tidak sampai menit. Oke, kira-kira di sini mungkin bisa coba prepare dulu. Misalnya saya mau prepare English class, lalu apa yang mau saya bilang. Nah, kira-kira 1 menit ya. Sampai di 57 menit 57. Atau kalau misalnya ada yang mau langsung jawab juga nggak apa-apa. Maybe ada yang mau volunteer maybe. Langsung. Misalnya
Aku,
Miss.
Miss.
Oke, Indah. Which one, Indah? Which topic you want to choose?
Watching movies, Miss.
Okay, sure. Give me your opinion.
Emo, in my opinion, watching movies is actually a very good way to learn English, especially because like you're gonna know a lot of new vocabulary. It's gonna help you to expand your vocabulary, and also if you mimic the expressions from the movie that you were watching before, which it's called a shadowing technique, you're gonna be able to have like a lot of new phrases, a lot of new expressions, and a lot of like new vocabulary as well. And also not enough about that, we also gonna have like a new tone and a new like intonations. And yeah, I think watching movies alongside if it not only it's fun to do, it's also a very useful way to learn English, Miss.
Oke, jadi from your opinion, you think watching movies is a good one of the good ways to learn English ya. Jadi menurutmu menonton
Yes,
TV,
Miss.
menonton film itu salah satu cara yang bagus untuk belajar bahasa Inggris. Is that right?
Yes, Miss. Yes, correct.
Yes, I very agree with you. Jadi Miss sangat setuju ya dengan Indah. Karena kenapa? Karena ketika kita menonton film itu kita bisa mendengar. Jadi kita bisa try to listen gimana sih mereka mengucapkan sebuah kalimat. Nah, dengan itu kita bisa practice our listening. Kayak gitu. Very good, Indah. Thank you so much for your opinion.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, and then for the next one, ada yang mau coba langsung? Miss, saya mau ambil playing games, Miss. Atau misalnya saya mau ambil watching movies. Maybe Balkis. Are there Balkis? Oh, no Balkis. Eva? Oh,
Yes,
okay,
Miss, ada
Balkis.
Miss.
Yeah?
Playing games, Miss.
Okay, sure.
Ya, tapi nggak sampai. I think playing games is very fun because we can make a new friend and the and I
Yeah.
think playing games is not very good too because
Okay.
if you play too much, it's not good for your for your health for your health.
Okay. Jadi Balkis bilang playing games is good because it's fun and we can have a new friends. Jadi kita bisa bertemu teman baru. Lalu itu juga tidak bagus karena tidak bagus buat kesehatan. Is that right, Balkis?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much, Balkis. Yes, I agree with you as well ya. Jadi Miss setuju juga ya. Kalau misalnya yes, very good. Jadi main games itu kadang seru. Kenapa? Karena kita bisa bertemu teman baru. Misalnya dari luar negeri juga bisa maybe. Jadi kita bisa belajar bahasa Inggris bareng. Tapi kalau too much, we play too much itu juga tidak terlalu bagus ya. Karena itu akan affecting our health. Misalnya matanya jadi minus atau misalnya jadi begadang. Nah, itu kan it's not good for our health. Thank you, Bakis. Okay, let's go to maybe Fajrina. Are you there, Fajrina?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, are you ready, Fajrina?
Yes,
Okay, which one? Which topic?
playing games.
Okay, sure. Take your time.
I think playing games is fun because I can play with my friends and learn new vocabulary.
Okay, your opinion, playing games is fun because apa tadi? You can learn new vocabulary sama apa?
Playing with my friends.
Okay, kira-kira games apa, Fajrina? Which games you play?
Minecraft.
Minecraft?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Very good, yeah. Okay, and I also agree with Fajrina. Jadi, yes, sometimes we can play with our friends. Jadi, bakal lebih seru ya. Okay, next one maybe Eva. Are you there, Eva?
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, how about you, Eva? Which one you would think? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I choose homework. Topiknya homework.
Okay,
So
sure.
in my opinion, homework is not very important for students. To be honest, after spending many hours at school, I often feel tired and also I need time to rest. So giving too much homework can make me stress and yeah, can reduce my motivation too. So instead of giving homework, I think as a student we can spend our time with our families, like reading books or maybe watching movies. So
Okay,
you mean?
okay. Jadi your opinion, you think homework is not important ya. Jadi PR itu tidak terlalu
Yeah,
important karena it can make us stress maybe. Jadi bikin kita stress.
capek, Miss.
Okay, tired as well ya. Okay. Okay, thank you, Eva. Very good opinion ya. Thank you so much. Let's go to Bibit. Are you there, Bibit? Ada Bibit?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Bibit. Are you ready, Bibit?
Ready, Miss.
Okay, which one? Which topic? Topik yang mana?
Homework, Miss.
Okay, go ahead.
In my opinion, homework has its good and bad sides. The bad side is that if you are given homework it will become a burden on your mind. The good side is to study again.
Okay. That's all? Itu aja?
Yeah, Mr. Dance.
Okay. Okay, very good. Jadi kata Bibit ada dua. There's a two side ya, ada dua opini. Yang pertama a good opinion and the second one is bad opinion tentang homework. Okay, very good Bibit. Good job ya. Very nice. Thank you. Okay, maybe let's go to Cahya. Are you there, Cahya? Ada Cahya nggak? Cahya. How about Zafira? Are you there? Oh, Zifara ya, Zifara. No, Zifara. Almira, maybe? Almira? Atau Sisa? No sisa? Oke. Kalau misalnya tidak ada, I think that's all for our today material. Jadi, thank you so much guys. It's a very good opinion. Terima kasih sudah sharing your opinion about this kind of topic. I really appreciate that and good job ya everyone. Oke, kita langsung ke slide terakhir kita, yaitu thank you. Thank you so much everyone. Jadi ini kode absennya ya teman-teman. Nanti setelah ini bisa mengisi absen, lalu kodenya ini. 7EBZEJ ya. Oke, screenshot aja, don't forget. Oke, langsung kita maybe take a screenshot. Kita kehadiran dulu. Maybe you can try to open your camera, buka kameranya, so I can see your face ya. Oke, wait ya. Oke, 1, 2, 3. Oke, so okay. Thank you so much everyone. Terima kasih sudah datang hari ini. Kita akan bertemu lagi untuk our last meeting which is tomorrow. Okay guys, I'll see you tomorrow and selamat berbuka ya. Happy iftar and bye bye. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye
Thank
bye.
you, Miss.
Bye.